This short video will demonstrate how to prepare a report for a single student. So first off, you'll want to be on this all documented behavior incidents, and then click search and put in the student's name. We're going to search for Elvis here. Now we have just Elvis's behavior data. I can select just the records that I want to include in the report, or I can click the checkbox up here, and that will select all of the behavior data for that's showing for the student. So then I just go over to the little print icon, and I have a couple of choices. I can print it as a list, and it will look like this. But when you print it, you're going to want to change it to landscape. And even then, perhaps this might not be your best choice, because if you are printing a lot of columns, then the font gets very tiny to fit it onto one page. So another option is to cancel this and go back and choose from that icon print as summary. And when you do that, you're going to get the referrals, or all the behavior incidences, one per page. So there is one more option. If I cancel that, this is what it looks like as a one per page. I can go back and actually click this other icon, the little gear, and I can export it either into a PDF or a spreadsheet. But if I export it into a spreadsheet, that gives me all the editing options of an Excel sheet. So I'm able to delete columns I don't need, like all of these. I could delete. I really don't need the student's name in every line if I don't want to. If I want to shorten that and add that at the top, I can just insert a line. I'm going to merge these cells together, and I'm going to put Elvis behavior data and probably the date. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this and shift the cells over. Okay, then I can also adjust the width of the columns. Usually the notes and student response are a little longer. Spread those out. Okay, and I can adjust it like that, and then if I want to wrap the text, I can do that. And so I get a report that looks something like that, and I can do all the editing that I want, and I can increase the font size if I care to, and print the report that way. All right, if you have one other thing you might want to remember is when you have done a search, be sure you cancel it, or you won't go back to all of your behavior data. So there it is. If you have any questions, give me a call, 541-601-2453.